Caucasian with straight hair, and she has a daughter who's biracial and has a curlier, kinkier texture, and she's wanting to know what she can use from the Hair Rules line, and because she has flatter hair and it's oilier, and so and she'd like to get more texture into her hair. So I suggest, Elizabeth, that you use the aloe grapefruit clarifying shampoo and the wavy mousse. You can, because you have a straighter, flatter texture, you can go without a conditioner and just shampoo with the aloe grapefruit, and use a wavy mousse to do like a halo braid or some type of a braid overnight on your gently towel dried, straight, wavy hair, and that way you'll get more wave and texture into your hair than you would if you just blew dry and you're looking for more texture to match your daughter's hair. Hope that helps you.